Look at these nails, y'all. How can you not want to help a client out when they got nails looking like this? This client came in telling me she only got $50. What can I do with $50 for her nails? Because she knows I'm expensive. I say, girl, it's not about the money. It's about how I want to make you feel. And I want to make you feel bougie. So after that, I decide to give her a feel. But then after I take out the acrylic, it looks all beat up, so thick and discolored. I say, look, girl, if I'm going to do some design on for you, I'm going to go ahead and give you a brand new set. So I set up the acetone, soak her finger in, and guess what I found? You know what it is? The devil MMA. And I'm not talking about no mixed martial art now. So after you take off the acrylic with the MMA, it takes a while, y'all. You got to soak it and file it. And finally, I got it down to the natural nails. And after that, I'm going to go in with the square curved tips. The reason is because her natural nail is flat and it kind of shifts up in the air. So if I go in with a straight tip, it's going to look like a roller coaster, and we don't want that. And I'm going to go in with the Butterlicious Nude, and I'm going to go ahead and lay it really nicely. Because she has flat nails, I have to make the apex a little bit thicker for her, y'all. At this moment, she never had color acrylic nude before, y'all. I'm trying to introduce her to something that she never had because I care about her. So I'm going to end it with the white, add 3 hearts. She wants a broken heart because she just lost her child. So that's what I did for her, y'all. It's not about the money. It's about loving what I do and want to make people feel good about what I do.